Hi children, good morning. So, today I am going to discuss the question paper. Okay. So, first question in physics, the amount of sound energy passing each second through a unit area. What is the answer? Intensity. Okay. So, the intensity of the sound is measured in the units of decibel. Okay. Noise is produced by irregular and non-periodic vibration. Pitch or stillness of the sound depends on frequency. Okay. Regular periodic vibration produced musical sound. Okay. So here a body vibrating with a time period of 1/256 seconds produced sound wave which travels in air with a velocity of 350 meter per second. Calculate the wavelength. So which formula we have to use, Nana? So V is equal to F into lambda. Wave formula. So this is wave problem. Yes, so that's why we have to use the wave formula. V is equal to F into lambda. So V they given 350 into frequency they did not given, Nana. Time period they given. So from the time period, what is the formula for frequency? F is equal to 1 by T, right? So T they given. So in the place of F we can write 1 by T into lambda. So 350 is equal to 1 by T they given here 1 by 256. 1 by 256 into lambda. Okay, if the 256 will go to the numerator, so 350 is equal to 256 into lambda. So lambda is equal to 350 by 256. If you cancel these two, you will get 1.36. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Understood, children? Next, see this. A sonar station picks up a return signal after 3 seconds. How far away is the object spends of the speed of the sound in water is equal to 1440 meter per second. So, what is the formula? Sonar. So, D is equal to V into T by 2. In place of D, you can write H also. So, speed they given 1440 into 3 by 2. Okay. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 2 zeros are 720 into 3, 2160. So D is equal to 2160 meters. So answer. This one. Okay. So an echo sound is in water receives an echo from the shoal of fish 0.4 seconds after it was sent. If the speed of the sound in water is equal to 1500 meter per second, how deep is the shoal? So which formula, Nana? H is equal to V into T by 2. Right? So V how much they given? 1500 into 0.4 by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 0.2s are. So if you remove the point here, 1 0 will cancel here. Okay, that means 1500 into 0.2 how much? 1500 into 0.2. So if you cancel the 0 here, 150 into 2, 300. So answer 300. Okay. So H is equal to 300 meters. Understood? So calculate the wavelength of the sound wave whose frequency is 220 Hz and speed is 440 meter per second and given in medium. So what is the formula? Wavelength they mentioned here. So which formula we have to use? Which formula? Which formula we have to use, Nana? V is equal to F into lambda. So they are asking. So 440 is equal to F how much they given? 220. 220 into lambda. So then lambda is equal to 440 by 220. So 2. Go and sit in that class. That class. Lambda is equal to 2 meters. Okay. So this is the answer. Understood, children? A person is listening a tone of 1500 Hz sitting in a distance of 450 meters from the source of sound. What is the time interval between the successive compression from the source? Time. For find the time, which formula we know now, the given frequency. So F is equal to 1 by T. So T is equal to 1 by F. So from this 1 by 500. So 0.002 seconds. So T is equal to 0.002 seconds. This is the answer. Understood? So next. A submarine sends a sonar plus which returns in the water 1.02 if the speed of the sound in salt water 1531 meter per second. How far away is the cliff? So D they are asking V into T by 2, that is 1531 into 1.02 by 2. 2 ones are, so not this one, 2 0.5 ones are. Okay, so 1531 into 0.51, how much you will get? This one, 780.8 meters. This is okay. So next, they given speed here and wavelength here. They are asking frequency. What is the formula? V is equal to, here 1.5 centimeters, you have to convert this into the meters. So 1.5 by 100, how much? 0.015 meters. Okay, 0.015 meters. Understood? So this is 0.015 meters. So V is equal to F into lambda. They are asking frequency. So 339 by 0.015 is equal to frequency. How much you will get? So if you cancel this one, you will get this one. Okay, frequency is equal to 22600 Hz. Understood? So if you remove the point here, then you will get 15 by 1000. So that 1000 will go to the numerator, and if you cancel that, you will get 21,600 Hz. Okay? A boy is standing 70 meters from height wall, claps his hands. After how much time is an echo heard? So T is equal to 2D by V. So T is equal to 2 into 70 by 350. So if you cancel this 350, 0.40. Okay? Understood? So a ship sends a and receives its back bottom of the sea 6 seconds, and they given speed, and they are asking how many kilometers. So D is equal to V into T by 2, that is 1450 into 6 by 2, 2 sevens are 2 twos are 0, 720 into 6, two ones are 2 sevens are 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 725 into 6, you will get 725. 1450 into 6 by 2. So 300, 3 5s are 15. This is in meters, so we have to convert that into the kilometers. So 4.35 kilometers. Okay. Sound cannot propagate through vacuum. An echo is heard after 0.8 seconds when a person fires a cracker 132.8 meters from the high building. What is the speed of the sound? Okay. So the given distance, time, they are asking v. V is equal to 2d by t. 2 into 8 by 0.8. Here point will be cancelled. 2 4s are 2 1s are. .332. So V is equal to 332 meter per second. Okay. A man stands in between two cliffs, this one. So this is D is equal to D1 plus D2, that is 336 into 0.6 by 2 plus 336 into 0.6 by 2.4 by 2, that is 336 by 2 common, 0.6 plus 2.4, that is 336 by 2 into 3, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 168 168 into 3, 168 into 3, you will get 504 meters, this one. Okay. Next, a dog barks. They given time nana here, they given speed also, they are asking distance. Okay, so D is equal to V into T by 2. So V 346 into 0.5 by 2, 173.0.5. If you multiply this 2, you will get this one. So D is equal to 86.5 meters. Okay. So multiple echoes are also called reverberation. An echo of sound produced can be heard only if it reaches our ear after 1/10 second. The minimum audible wavelength at room temperature in air is about, so here the minimum wavelength they are asking. So the speed we have to take 330 meter per second, and minimum frequency we have to take 20,000 Hz. Okay, listen children. So 50 question answer 1/10 second. So the minimum audible wavelength of the room temperature in air is, so V we have to take 330 meter per second, F 20,000 Hz. So lambda is equal to V by F is equal to 330 by 20,000. So if you cancel this two, you will get this one. Okay. So in this problem they given sound speed of the sound 342 meter per second, time 3 seconds. So they are asking distance. T is equal to V into T by 2. So 340 into 3 by 2. So if you cancel, you will get 513 meters. And this is also, this is speed, this is time they given. So D is equal to V into T by 2. So 3 into 10 power 8 into 2.5, 2 1s are 2, 1.5 is 1.5 into 2.5, 3.75 into 10 power 8. Okay. So an observer situated between the two cliffs problem, this one. This is one cliff, this is another cliff. A man stand here. So first you have to find out the two distances Okay, and if you add these two, you will get final distance between the two cliffs. That is only d is equal to d1 plus d2. So 340 into 5 by 2 plus 340 into 7 by 2. 340 by 2 I took common. So 5 plus 7 is there. So if we cancel here, 2 ones are 2, 170 into 12. 2040 you will get. Okay. And here in this problem they given time and speed. Okay. This is not an echo problem, not a wave problem, Nana. This formula you have to take. V is equal to S by T. So S is equal here V into T. So S means distance here. So speed 332 into time 3 seconds. So 996 answer. Okay, this one. So if the speed of the wave is 340 meter per second and its frequency is 1700 Hz, then lambda is equal to how much? V is equal to F into lambda. V 340 into 1700 into lambda. So 340 by 1700 is equal to lambda. So 0.2 meters. So they are asking in centimeters. So 20 centimeters. Okay. In this figure they are asking what is the half wavelength. So it is one complete cycle. So from whether it is AC is the half wavelength or CE is the half wavelength. So and BD is the half wavelength. So which option is there here? BD. Okay. So the loudness of the sound wave is directly proportional to the amplitude. Which of the following sound wave is louder? So this is the louder. Okay. Next. Which of the following sound frequency cannot be heard by human ear? 10 Hz. Okay. So here they given distance, okay, and speed. They are asking time 2d by v. 2 into 825 by 330. So if you cancel here, you will get 5 seconds. Okay, children. So this is completed, Anna. So for screening from tomorrow onwards, I will upload the pressure topics. Okay. Bye.